There's something wrong, but my mind keeps going back to you. I act like I'm fine, but I lie a lot. Every quiet moment, you're all I got. I tell myself that I should forget, but your memory stays in my head. I go through days like nothing's wrong, but at night it all comes back so strong. Same old thoughts when the lights go out. I try to sleep, but you're all I think about. I deleted your name, erased the chat, but somehow my heart still brings it back. Funny how silence can speak so loud when you're gone but still around. I'm still thinking about you, even when I don't want to. You're in my mind, I can't break through. No matter what I do, I'm still thinking about you, like you never left me too. Every night it's always true. Yeah, I'm still thinking about you. I see your face in strangers I pass, hear your voice in memories that last. I told my friends I'm doing okay, but they don't know what I replay. You moved on, I stayed behind, stuck in moments frozen in time. I wish my brain had an off switch, cause every thought leads back to this is not love, or maybe it is. Hard to explain what this feeling is. All I know is I can't let go, even when I tell myself no. I'm still thinking about you, even when I don't want to. You're in my mind, I can't break through. No matter what I do, I'm still thinking about you, like you never left me too. Every night it's always true. Yeah, I'm still thinking about you. Maybe time will fade your name, maybe one day it won't feel the same, but right now I still feel you here in every thought, in every fear. I guess I learned to live with pain, smiling while I feel the rain. Some people leave but never go, they stay in places only I know. And maybe one day I'll be free from all the thoughts you left in me, but tonight I'm not okay. Still thinking of you anyway, yeah. Still thinking about you, and I don't know why, but I still